Alright, here is the first part of the storm. It is about to really hit. As you can see, what did you do to anger Mom? And now she's on her way. I didn't do anything. But yeah, here you go. I'll let you know later the outcome. Yeah, I'm outside for right now because it's not really, but it looks like it's going to really pour down pretty soon. I'll keep you updated. So, it's pretty windy out right now. We may just get more rain because I don't know if we'll get that much rain. Um, because when I looked at when they said it was a severe thunderstorm, it was more towards Inwood, which was about 30 minutes away from us. So we'll see. But it looks like it's about to pour down. I think you can hear the storm. So I'll give you a chance to look at my tomato plant. I don't know if you've seen this one or not, but you probably see this on YouTube in a little bit. These are the plants that Paul got about a month ago. One for Mom, one for Grandma. And then here is the tomato plant. It's going to have another couple, maybe 3 more tomatoes, which I better get inside because it's really about to pour. All right. It is pouring down now. Of course, I'm not going outside, so. But yeah, you can see it through the glass door. It shouldn't be doing too much because it does have a little crack in it up there. And there's the mail truck, which is going to have to wait because I ain't going out there in this wet, this mess. Right, so here is the outcome of that storm you just seen. I mean, and it's not too bad. I guess we can walk to the mailbox. Again, here is my tomato plant on top of Mom. Mom's not doing too bad. She's gonna have, there's gonna be like, looks like 3 tomatoes, which I might have to put a thing to straighten it because it is leaning. Of course, with all this mud and whatnot, it's crazy. Yeah, the boys haven't taken all their stuff, so we don't know if they're going to come back or what the hey. Of course, it always floods over here. Alright, I paused you for a minute because I had to check the mail. But here is the, like I said, is the outcome. It's drizzling now, but it's not too bad. Probably more like coming off the trees. So this is the outcome. Like I say, it's not too bad. It was more towards Inwood, which is like 30 minutes away from us. Yeah, that's just the drops from the rain from the trees. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on, give it a thumbs up, and comment below what's your favorite video. And till next time, peace out.